this lecture about Python modules and packages. Myself Konkon Jana, Assistant Professor of Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management. JS Group, it's a joint venture. So the topics in module 7 are: what is module, the import statement, module basic example, Python inbuilt module, Python math module, random module, packages, composition, input, output, printing on screen, reading data from keyboard, opening and closing file, reading and writing files. Now we will start lecture 4 of module 7. We'll do more coding exercise on Python. For coding practice and exercise, I'm using Python IDE with Python 3.8.3 shell, and I am using digital whiteboard for better clarification. Note down the text what I am writing in this digital whiteboard. What is the need of a package? Consider a team gets a project to convert the recording sound into MP3 format. One developer writes a code, suppose in a file, to convert the recording voice to MP3 sound in the sound conversion directory. After some time, the team gets new requirements to convert the recording voice to WMV format. Instead of writing in the first file using Python, we write our own code in the second file in the directory sound conversion. Then a new requirement comes by where you need to convert the recording to WMA format. Again, a new author writes a new code, another Python file in the same directory, sound conversion. In this way, they make a package just adding one more file. And in this package, in Python, you must need to write a file init.py. The file those are required. With that, a file is need to include. This is underscore init underscore dot py file. Okay. So what you have to do here, you need to include a file with that. Okay. You need to include a file. The name of the file is this. Clear? So this is the file that you need to include. This is a simplest package. This is a directory. Okay, you have made this file kept onto this directory, in this directory, and another one file, this is init file that you need to include within this package. Clear? This is the file that will be useful to make the package. So what is mean by package? Packages are namespaces which contain multiple packages and modules themselves So packages are the namespace Clear? Packages are the namespace. Now I will give an example of package. I will demonstrate it with a very simple example how to create a package with some Python module. First of all, what we have to do? First of all, we need a directory. Or if you are familiar with the Microsoft, a folder, just it. The name of this directory will be the name of the package. This is the name of the package which we want to create now. We'll call our package simple package. Suppose the name of the package is simple package. Okay, now the package is simple package. Clear? So I need to first create a directory. Where I need to create the directory? I need to create the directory in this place. I need to create the directory. Okay. Suppose name of the directory is, what is the name of the directory? Already I have told you. Name of the directory is simply underscore package. Okay. Simple underscore package. Okay. Simple underscore is the name of the package. Okay. This directory needs to contain a file with the name init. With the name init. Okay. So we need to create a file within this directory. New file where we need to, it may not contain any type of value. First create this one. Save it first. Simple package. Okay, simple package. Within this I will create this file. Okay, here we have written this file. Okay, we have written this file, simple package. Clear? You not need to write any code within this file. This file can be empty, okay, or it can contain valid Python codes if it is required. This code will be executed when a package is imported. So it can be used to initialize a package. So what is the use of this? This will be used to initialize the package. init for initializing the package. Okay, initializing the package. To make sure that some other modules are imported or some values of the set. Now we can put all of the Python files which will be some modules of our module into this directory. We create two simple file. Okay. Suppose a dot file will create a dot file. Okay. And p dot file just for the sake of filling the package with modules. Okay. Now just I am writing a create a new file. Okay. Just I am creating a new file, and where I have to put it? I have to put it onto the simple package directory. File, new file. Okay. Suppose within this file I have written the code. This. I have written that code. Okay. Clear? And I like to save it as a.py onto this package. a.a py is the name of the package. Okay, clear? Again, I like to create another file. Okay, and writing the code within this file. This is the code written onto this file. Okay, and save this file onto this simple package directory again. Suppose B is the name of the file. Okay, so we will also add an empty file here. Clear? We will add an empty file here, init inside of simple package directory. Now create a new file. Okay, now create another file. What will be written? That file will be imports the package. Okay, how to import user defined package? Go through the syntax to know it. How to import it? Okay, just I am writing the code in another file. Okay, just I again have create a file. Okay, and suppose the name of the file I like to include any file. We can have the name from simple underscore package import these two file. Okay, we need to import these two file here. Okay, now what I have written, this is written there. Actually, what is the use of it? Just I am writing from is the from package name import Python file. Always you need to know the Python file must be onto the package name directory. Okay, these all are the file. Okay, these all are the file. Python 1. Here from is the keyword used to import package. From is the keyword used to import package, and this is the package name is the name of the package that is actually a directory where I have kept all the Python files. Kept all the Python files. This is the file. Any number of files you can import. Those are required. You need to import this. Here we have use a.py and b.py Python files. Okay. Next, I have to access the methods that are defined in the Python file. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax? I have written the syntax as Python file name dot method. This is the normal way. This normal way we will call the methods corresponding to the file name. Okay. So here the methods that are defined within the Python files. Okay. Dot is the member access operator. Dot is the member access operator. Okay. These all are the method. Okay. These are the method. Okay. This will contain some method. Okay. This is the Python file name. This is the Python file name. And within this, some method will be there that you need to call. Okay. Clear? So now we'll execute the code. Package code. Okay. Run this code. Okay. Hello function bar from module A calling. Hello function foo from module B calling. So now just I am explaining the code. Just now I am explaining the code. Okay. A, what you have done there? You have import the module. This is the directory name. Simple package is the directory name. Okay. Where is this directory? This is the directory. Okay. You can see this directory simple package. This is the directory. Okay. So within this directory, what are the value? A.py, B.py are the module. A.py and B.py are the module. Okay, A.py and B.py are the, this is A. Okay, and then this is B. These two are the module. Clear? Now you need to see bar is the method contained by this module. Okay, bar is the method contained by this module. First go for the A directory. Bar is the method. Clear? Bar is the method. Okay. Clear? The name of the file is, what is the name of the file? Just tell me, what is the name of the file? Name of the file is a.py. Okay, and within that I have defined the bar method. Okay, so here this is the file name and here bar is the method. Okay, similarly in B file there is a method foo. So this is the package, these two are the modules, or you can say these are the Python files. Within that bar is the method and foo is the method. Clear? So this is all about the Python package. Okay. Next, now we will know composition in Python. What is composition? In composition, one of the class is composed of one or more instance of other classes. In other words, one class is container and other class is content, and if you delete the container object, then all of its contents objects are also deleted. Okay, now what is inheritance? Inheritance models what is called an is a relationship. This means that when you have a derived class that inherits from a base class, you created a relationship where derived is a specialized version of base class. Specialized version of base class is a relationship. Is a relationship, and this is for inheritance, and has a relationship. This is for composition. Okay. Next, we will know about input output printing on screen. Okay. Already we have discussed about input function in Python, how they will be accessed. Input keyword is used to take input. Input keyword is used to take the input. Okay, and this is, here is a prompt you need to include there. Okay, input keyword used to take input. After that we need to cast it. By default it is string. Okay, for integer purpose I need to cast using int. Here var int is the variable type of integer that can hold the value int. Okay, and float is the float type of data. Okay, next you need to, as a string, if you like to insert or input take the value as a string, then you not need to mention the float or integer. Clear? Simply input and the statement will be there. Simply input and the statement you like to draw will be there. Okay, so this is about input function, and already we have discussed earlier in details. Clear? Now Python file read and write operation. Python file read and write operation. Here R is the mode. These are the mode of file opening. Open for reading, okay, by default. If you do not mention any type of mode. W for writing. File object. Open is the function. This is the file name that you like to open, and mode need to mention. Mode means either it will be R, it will be W, read, open, write, open, or you can read and write open mode. Okay. So this is about the file read and write operation in Python. Now write code to write in a file. Before that, just I like to create a text file. I like to create a text file. Okay. I like to create a text file. Suppose to create a text file. Okay. Suppose I like to create a text file onto this portion, onto the portion from where I have to like to create the file onto the Python location. To the Python location, I need to create the file. Okay. Now in my computer, the location is, suppose this is the location. I have, this is a file. Okay, this is a file. That file does not contain any value. Okay, that file, now I like to rename it. Okay, I just like to rename this file. Okay, I like to rename the file as this testfile.txt. This file does not contain any value. Okay, there is no value. There is no value. Okay, nothing is written into this file. Clear? Next, so there is nothing written on this file. Now I have closed this file and writing a code to open the file and to write something on it. Okay, I like to create a file. Okay, file is the object, file object. File is the file object. Okay, open is the keyword. This is the name of the file. And in write mode, I like to open it. Okay. And what will be written? File write is the command to write onto the file. File is the object. Okay. This is the object of this file. And this is the write mode. This is for write mode. Okay. What will be written? This value will be written. This value will be written. In new line already I have inserted. So in the next line, this line will be written onto the notepad. Okay, clear? So now I need to save this file. Okay, after writing, what I have to do, I have to close this one. Okay, now now save this file. Okay, okay, so this Python code will write something onto the file. In which file? In this test file. Now this file does not contain anything. Okay, clear? So now just run it. Okay, it have run successfully. So the code have run successfully. Now watch this file. What is happening to there? Okay, hello all. This is our new text file, and this is another line. Okay, so what code we have written to get it? Okay, this. Okay, so we have got it. Okay, this is the first line I have written onto this file. Okay, and this is the second line, and this is another line. Okay, so we have written 3 lines onto this file using this code. Using this code, we have written all these things. Okay, now what I have written here, we need to read it. For reading purpose, this is the content of this file, and I need to read it onto the comment from. Okay, here the value that will be displayed. Okay, it means that. Okay, how to read it? In read mode, we need to display. Okay, just I am writing this code here. Simply text file, there is the read mode. This file will be open in read mode. Okay, file read. File is the object, read is the mode. Simply, if you like to display all the contents, then you can use this syntax. There are many syntax for reading line by character. Okay, the print statement will be used. After your operation have completed, close the object. Clear? You need to close it. Okay, so now run it. Already I have told you what will be happen. The contents of the text file will be written there. The contents of the text file will be written there. This is the contents of the text file. Okay, so that will be read using this. That will be read. Now I will execute this code. Okay, now compare it. Now compare it with that file. Okay, the name of the file is this hello world written there. The next line written there, and this line have written there. Okay, so we have write onto this file, and again we have read from this file onto the Python command prompt. Clear? So this is about the file, and this is about the module 6 lecture 4, and we have completed this module about module and packages. Thank you.